Real man. Real talk. Hey. Bang bang. Hey. Bang bang. Bang bang. Bro. 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 I'm making an example out of your whack ass and slip with the team. You better bag backwards, get took off the scene like a bad actor. You only getting cheese when you add crackers. Mad rappers, they didn't want to battle. Now they up shit, speak without a paddle. You niggas wouldn't get hurt if you were cattle. You just some jackasses that I got a saddle. You looking at a nigga with a Django flow. I get to kill him for some money till it ain't no more. Unchained, so I let 2 chains be titty boy and continue to drain that flow. This is easy, who wanna be me? Or you want the money and the jewels and the freaks, please? Well, let me let you know you won't get a freebie. You getting brainwashed while you looking at the TV. I'm on point like a tip of a TP. I'm on point like the goods of RCP. I'm on point like a needle in a haystack. You better stay way back cause you can't see me. Tip flow here, now I'm first. I know I murk this beat, no hearse. I just freestyle, it's no work, but if I put the pen to the pad, it's gon' work. Bros over hoes. He out. Bye bye. Ay.
Money monster, youngster, kush be making me ponder. Chasing paper, no wonder. I be heated like summer. Bummer, you not on my team. You not with this G like Oreo. Cookies, my bees on the cream. You see what I mean? When you see the car in your dreams, dropping the screens and in my lap, your girl in between. Throwing a piece, not trying to touch it so you see. After that paper like H's after G's. Cause my mind on my money on my mind. All I know is grind, but I don't have the time. Nope. Always got some hating niggas trying to steal my shine. Just sit back and watch a real nigga on his grind. Just kick back and count my dough up. No Rihanna, but you know I'm about to pull up. I got this kush, I'm about to roll up. Couple puss, now you know your boy Kush they be cheap and they just can't believe. I got everybody and their mama Kush dream. I can't tell nobody how, it's a Kush secret. So relax in your hell, excel on this Kush tree.
Bros over hoes.
See, these niggas ain't my bro, you understand me, my nigga?
Bros over
Hey, I
hoes.
grew up with these niggas, my nigga. I don't trust no hoe over these niggas, you know what I'm saying?
What that nigga
Bros
said?
over hoes, man. I got Nike Jordans and all stores. Got more pool than loud cars. You fall back, I fall forcing on 24s. Paul George got my day one nigga. That's my fam, till I have a whole little couple grams. Anything you need, I can get it now. Got your bitch clapping ass in the catch gown. Yeah, tap, standing ovation. I go fed. Tap, my current location. I sell dope for folks. Quote unquote, I pass my dare class. Killing niggas when I wreck swerve. No airbag. Stop gassing these hoes straight up, acting the ass one bros. Y'all hate us. You a dildo, you a fake fuck. I grind hard, no break dust. I'm blue one, just use Google. Got your bitch off in the Ruble. Waking up, smoking dank, eating on toasted students. Got a dick in his own foes. Flick my big legs, it blows. She want my dick, my pistol, and I put that on blood, no Miss Pro. Nigga, I ain't lying, I'm not a cheater. I be damn, no people. She sucking on me like a leech, cause I'm here with her and hang around the reefer. In the moon pot, sipping moonshine, cause I am a Martian. I'm too fly, you pooped on my flow, nasty, no dirt. Carpet, wish a nigga wood, no table. Sipping on syrup, no maple. I break fast, around bread, bitch, nigga, no bagel. Who are you, bitch? Wait, pause. You all on my dick, straight balls. I ball, I'm in the finals, your ass couldn't make the playoffs. I'm 8 off, so salute and feel the wrath of a boss dog. My eyes low cause I stay on green like a motherfucker me gout ball. Damn.
Hey, what's up, man? It's your boy Jenny Swood. Check it out, folks. Y'all make sure to fuck with me on Twitter at Jenny Swood. You know what I'm saying? I'm on Facebook. Doing my thing with the slip, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's still dog like, so look out for that. Hey, every Monday though, we out shooting a cycle, and every week you gonna get one, you know what I'm saying? Go with it Mondays. Hit me on Twitter, I'm gonna shoot you the video. You gonna shoot that motherfucker out. Y'all comment, let us know what you think. You know what I'm saying? Real talk, fuck with us. Slip.